Indian Institute of Information Technology Manipur IIIT-M amadi Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, Northeastern Space Applications Center NESAC amasung Manipur Remote Sensing Applications Center MARSAC punna khutsamnaduna anirak suba National Space Day 2025 pangthokkhre Komja lising ni yusumna nifutaret faubugi manungda ohenlakadawriba chawkhat khongthangsing asina Northeast region asidagisu visionary leader kaya puthokpa mathau tai haina ISRO gi Associate Director Dr. N. Raguna pangthokkhre.
Nation's unwavering spirit of scientific inquiry, innovation and perseverance. I extend my heartfelt congratulations and gratitude to ISRO, NESAC, MARSAC and IIIT Manipur for jointly organizing this grand event in our state. Such collaboration highlights the growing synergy between institutions to foster scientific tempo and promote space-based applications for sustainable development. As a parent department of MARSAC, the planning department is proud of its contributions from supporting new string-set development projects under Department of Land Resources, Government of India, to aiding in watershed planning, other infrastructure planning, natural resource management, agriculture, urban planning, and disaster preparedness. We also deeply appreciate NESAC's continued support in further strengthening the drone facility in Manipur. MARSAC's role as the state nodal agency